Capcut got a new twist. Now you need a subscription to say goodbye to those watermarks when exporting your video. So if you have been struggling with that watermark sticking around your project, don't worry, I've got a quick and easy solution for you. In today's video, I will show you 3 ways you can remove Capcut watermarks in your video, both on your mobile phone and laptop. Number 3 is mind-blowing, so stick around to the end. And if you're just tuning in, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So let's jump right in. The first method I will be showing you now is on laptop. Open your project on the Capcut platform. This first step is critical. We need to convert all the selected clips into a compound clips. Why? It is essential for the next step. So what do you want to do now? You select all the clips by highlighting them or pressing Ctrl A to select everything at once. So once selected, right click and choose create compound clip. This merges all your clips into one single clip, making editing much easier. At this point, Capcut Watermark is located either at the top left or top right corner. So check where it is. So the next thing we want to do is to adjust the frame rate. So after creating the compound clip, we need to tweak the frame rate to push the watermark out of the visible area of the video. Head over to ratio option under here and click on custom. So adjust your custom frame rate. Mine is set to 1920 by 1080, which works perfectly. Leave it as it is or set it to match your project. So the next thing we want to do is just to export our work. So once you have adjusted it, check your video to ensure it looks good, then export it. Now, open Canva. It is free, and upload your exported videos. Resize the video within Canva to ensure the watermark is completely out of sight. When you are satisfied, click download and export the video as an MP4. And that is it. Your watermark-free video is ready. So let's jump to the second method on your phone. So once you open your phone, the first thing you do, click on the drop-down menu where you see the watermark option. Now, select watermarks from the list. When you click it, it will tell you how many free uses you have left. For example, this one, it says you have 4 free uses remaining. So you will see an option here to either make the watermark visible or hidden. So to hide it, just click on hidden. The watermark disappears. If you have used up all your free points, you can reposition the watermark instead. You can move it to the lower left, upper right, or lower right. Okay, if you are running out of free uses, my advice is to save them when you are exporting your final videos. For now, let's say we place the watermarks at the lower right corner to keep it out of the way. Go back to your timeline, then go to overlay option, click add overlay, and select a blank white image or image from your photos. Add it to your project. Once it is added, you pick it, then go to marks and choose the circle marks. Drag and resize the circle to cover the watermarks completely. So after covering the watermark, stretch the overlay to make sure it spans across the duration of your video. So this way the watermark stay hidden throughout. You can go to hue to adjust the color to make it invisible. And that is it. No more visible watermark. It's quick and easy solution, right? Now, let's jump to the third one. This third one is mind-blowing. If you are still with me and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe and hit the like button. Have you done that? Thank you. Still on your mobile phone, I'm going to show you how to remove this Capcut watermark using a free app called Remove Object Photo and Video. So you can download it directly from the Play Store. Once it is installed, open the app and choose the Select Video menu. Select the video you want to edit and add it to the app. So you will see a selection box on your video. You click on it, Resize and reposition this box to completely cover the watermark area. So make sure it fits perfectly over the watermark. So we tap on the setting button at the top. Here you can adjust the speed of the video processing. Remember, the slower the speed, the better the compression and quality of the result. So I'm going to click on slow. Once everything is set, you tap save and select the resolution size you want for your video. So I'm going to pick the higher resolution. Higher resolution take longer but give better quality. So sit back and wait for the app to process your video. When it is done, the Capcut watermark will be completely removed. How cool is this? And that is it. You now have a clean watermark free video ready to go. Now you need to click download and export it as MP4 video. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.